Good Monday afternoon. I'm meteorologist Kristen Kershaw, and we are certainly tracking some heat as we're moving through this afternoon. Temperatures across southeast Wisconsin well into the 80s this afternoon. And as we look at the dew points, upper 60s and low 70s. Once we get that dew point over 70 degrees, you can really feel the humidity. It also makes it feel hotter outside. So as we check in on what it feels like across the area, a mix of 80s and 90s. Right now, if you head out the door in Milwaukee, feels like 95, feels like 96 degrees in Kenosha right now, 91 in Whitewater, and 93, the feels like temperature in Fond du Lac. Storm 4 Max radar, no rain to talk about here. We have a lot of sunshine, which just makes it feel that much warmer. But upstream, we're going to see some developing storms, and those will head our way as we move into late tonight. So as we look at our rain chances here, all the way through 9-10 o'clock tonight, those rain chances stay very low. They increase, though, once we get past 10-11 o'clock. We'll see some rain showers and some thunderstorms overnight, and some of those will carry over into early tomorrow morning. This is the outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. We take a look at this map when we have the potential for some strong to even some severe storms. So you can see most of us in the slight risk, which is kind of a level 2 out of 5 risk that we see some strong storms. This is actually updated from this morning to expand more of southeastern Wisconsin. So the primary concerns with any of those storms tonight would be hail and some gusty winds. Could certainly also see some areas of heavy rain, and we'll deal with some lightning. So what will likely happen is we'll see the storms developing upstream closer to Minneapolis, and then they'll work their way down to the southeast here. As they'll be moving in late tonight, we lose some of that instability that we get with the daytime heating when we have daytime storms. So they'll likely be sort of fizzling out as they move this way. Here's how it looks with future forecast. Again, the rest of today, largely dry. 1 a.m. we start to see these storms moving in. Realistically, I think these storms could come in as early as 10-11 o'clock tonight. This model holds them off till about midnight. We continue to see a couple waves, it looks like, of rain showers and some thunderstorms moving in. Again, some hail, some gusty winds, not out of the question with these storms. Then we finish out the rest of the day on Tuesday on a dry note. Now, if you get under a thunderstorm, you could get an inch of rain. Some places will likely not see much, so better chances for rain if you live farther north, a little bit less chance if you're farther south. So for today, 92, but feels like temperature readings into the mid, even some upper 90s, not out of the question. A little cooler for Tuesday as we have some cloud cover around and those morning showers and storms. Hot and humid as we move from Wednesday into Thursday. We do finally cool things off a little bit, though, as we head towards the upcoming weekend after we get a front to come through on Friday. We'll check in on your dew point forecast and your boating forecast still ahead.